I was a kid in school that would literally, like, I didn't have any fucking confidence in my own in myself. Even if I knew the answer for a test, I would still like feel the need to like look around and like try to copy whoever I thought was better. I would always just like I would never believe it just in what I knew. I would always want to, and I would just like, that person, they have to be smart. I know that person's smarter than me. Like I never thought of myself in that sense. Like I just wanted to do what other people, like I was trying to like copy what I no self, no self-confidence. And over the years, like now looking at that me versus not, like I've developed so much. So what I want to say is that if you're starting out, that you're going to develop into that person that if you're looking up to something I've done or do whatever, like it's all a development phase. It's like, and it's not, no one starts out like that. Like nobody starts out knowing crystal sharp what they wanted and having these things and knowing about all this business. That's, you start, you fuck up again and again and again. And you evaluate, you listen to the feedback, you admit what you did and you fix it and you keep going. That's it. There's nothing else that you can do other than that. So, and that is why anybody can be successful. That's why anybody can make an impact.